before I show you guys this bomb-ass breakfast pizza, let's go ahead and get you subscribed. I want y'all coming back and seeing more delicious foods, and I'd really appreciate it. Let's get cooking. Today we're making a breakfast pizza, so we're going to start with a breakfast sauce for our breakfast pizza. Got a little bit of garlic. Maybe more than a little bit, but I mean, it's for a whole pizza, so it won't be overpowering, just trust me. We got a lot of other ingredients to add to this too. We got some shallots. I love shallot. It's such a nice way of including onion flavor. It's not quite as harsh as, a white onion or a red onion. Some fresh cracked pepper. Fair amount of fresh cracked pepper. And cream cheese. And we're just gonna microwave that all together. This will make it nice and spreadable and start to incorporate those flavors into the cream cheese from our nice aromatic root vegetables there. Chop up some green onions. Have those ready to go. And start shredding our cheese. Just using some nice cheddar cheese. I love cheddar cheese. It goes so well with bacon. I'm going to chop up half a pound of bacon here. I'm going to get that cooking in a cast iron pan. We don't want it to cook to be too crispy though, because it is going on top of a pizza that will then be baking for half an hour to 40 minutes. Oh, I almost knocked the cheese off. That would have been a disaster. But I got my dough, store-bought dough. I've been letting it sit out and rise for a little while. I'm just going to stretch it out a little bit. It's going to be cooking in the cast iron pan that's currently housing our bacon right now. So I'm just getting it about the same size as that, 12 inches across. I'm going to remove our bacon from the pan, and we're going to leave most of the oil behind because that's going to flavor the crust and keep it from sticking to the pan when we bake this whole pan pizza. It'll give it an even more breakfasty flavor. Now we got our dough in the pan. We're going to start spreading our cream cheese mixture over the top. Nice and thick. Poppy likes it thick. That's a lot of flavor. Get a nice little distribution of bacon. I love a pan pizza because it can really hold up to hearty toppings. Our cheddar cheese. And make sure you get some of this cheese around the edge too, because you want it to cook down over the edge of the crust, and it gives you that nice lacy look that you get on like a traditional Detroit style pizza, and it gives you that crunchy edge too. I love that. And we have our everything bagel seasoning. I love everything bagels. Slide off our little protector there so we can stick it in the oven. And that's going to bake for about 30 minutes, 350 degrees. I'm going to pull it out, And now it's time to crack some eggs on there. This is a breakfast pizza. Two eggs is about right for a 12-inch pan pizza. We'll swirl those around so they don't just pool in the middle. And you can let some run down the sides too. It's a nice little egginess on the edges. And delicious. Get that spread out. Hit it with our green onions. And then it's just going to go back in the oven for, 5 to 10 more minutes. That'll help set the egg. I'm going to hit it with a little pepper too, because that just sets off the cheddar cheese and the egg. It's a brilliant combo. There we go. After a few more minutes, you have this delicious monstrosity of a pizza. Got that crispy golden crust, imbued with the flavor of bacon. And the Cholula hot sauce just sets it off. It's got that thick crust, takes a second to cut, but it's fluffy on the inside, crispy on the outside. Everything you could ask for, really. Usually my wife doesn't even like pan pizzas, but I gave her one slice of this and she had to come back for more. Look at that. It's hot as balls. It's delicious. Oniony, garlicky, everything bagely, creamy, bacony, crispy, cheesy. What more could you want? Thank you for watching, guys. Go ahead and share this with your friends. Share it on Facebook. Share it on whatever you're on. And please make it for yourself. I want you to enjoy this. That would make me the happiest man in the world. See you next time.